Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you could probably see from the title, we're gonna be doing a lot of things in my room, just kind of like reorganizing things. We're also gonna be spring cleaning just a little bit. My room isn't that messy, so there's only a few things we have to do. I don't know what my dog is doing. I think she's broken. Please don't forget to subscribe down below and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's go on and get started with this video. First things first, I want to give you guys an overview of my room right now. This clothing rack actually goes right in this corner. We're also going to move this plant from where it is right now. And as you could tell, we also have some laundry that we have to get done. I'm also going to be taking all of the clothing that is more like winter type of clothing and move it into my closet. And I also need to wash my makeup brushes and vacuum the floor because honestly it's just so dirty. These are actually all of the clothing pieces that I got from American Threads, except my Nike shorts. I don't know what those are doing there, but I seriously got so many like blue colors and green as well because these are such cute spring colors. I'm actually gonna hang all of my new clothing items up right now on that rack, that way they won't get like wrinkled or anything like that. Alright, so my clothing rack has been somewhat updated. I actually made sure to take off like this Champs white hoodie that I got from Urban. I'm just gonna move that to my main closet. I also have this like neon pink beanie that Pink sent me, but I just never got to taking a photo in it. So I'm probably just gonna save it for like next winter or when it gets chilly. And then these tie-dye leggings, I already showed you guys these. I'm just gonna go ahead and put these with like my normal leggings in my like legging pants drawer. So on my clothing rack, I just have all of these super pretty like spring colors. I actually did some spring shopping because I want to film like a spring try on haul really soon. So yeah, definitely be on the lookout for that. All of these pieces right here are from American Threads up to this white top. And then all of these other clothing items I've honestly had for a while now, but I've never like taken photos with them. Or like there's this one right here that I got at the Vegas Mart and I kind of want to like crop it, and I feel like this one would be so cute for like chilling indoors and lounging around. And then I just have like this chain necklace that I got from Romwe. It's so cute. I'm gonna put these items away really quick. Oh my god, I'm actually so much more happier now because those colors like just look so pretty on there. I'm also gonna move this really pretty plant that I got from TJ Maxx right where it belongs. I just kind of used it as decor for the spring try on haul. I think I'm also gonna go ahead and tackle laundry right now because this thing is overflowing and I hate that so much. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quick. Also went ahead and brought the vacuum to my room because that's like the main thing I really have to get done too. Fun fact, my dog is like terrified of the vacuum cleaner, so you're probably not gonna see her in this vlog, but I just thought that was so funny. We're gonna like move it to the side because I want to like clean all of the surfaces first, so that way like all of the dust like falls to the floor. I did want to show you guys like my main cleaning products that I use. It's honestly not anything too like crazy or luxurious or anything like that, but I just love to use these Clorox compostable compostable. These are just a little bit better than the normal ones for the environment, and we love that. And another product that I've been loving to use when I'm like wiping down surfaces is the Meyers Clean Day, and it's in the scent Rose. I'm so sad this is limited edition because it smells so good. I don't know, it's just like a very fresh rose scent. If there is like a big stain on a surface, then I'll use these wipes, but if not, then I'll just use this one to kind of wipe off any dust, which is what I'm gonna do right now with my IKEA Alex drawer. So I usually have my jewelry up here and it just gets kind of dusty, so we're gonna go ahead and dust it off. I just wiped down this whole surface. I also do wipe the top of my Echo Dot just because that does get pretty dusty as well. I'm kind of just gonna do like the same thing to my other IKEA like furniture piece, and also just kind of organize everything and put it back in place. Since we are spring cleaning, this means that we need to take our cleaning to like the next level because spring cleaning is only like once a year. I also made sure to like wipe the top of my TV, which was actually really dusty. And I'm also about to kind of wipe my plants, but kind of just like really get in there when I wipe them because it's so dusty in there as well. We're just gonna continue wiping any surface that I find along with like any plants and stuff, so that way the dust could kind of fall to the floor, and then we'll like vacuum it up towards the end. Another thing you guys have to do so badly, like your life depends on it, is just to wash your makeup brushes. I feel like a lot of people overlook this so much, and so yeah, that's actually what I'm gonna do right now. I actually use this like Sephora makeup wash thingy, silicone thingy. I really don't know what it's called. On this top part, what you would do is just like take a makeup brush, kind of wet it and put soap on this part right here, and then you just go in circles until the brush looks like way cleaner. If you don't have anything like this, or you don't want to spend money on this, then you could also use your hand. I'm gonna go ahead and use this to wash all of these because they're a little yucky by now, and then usually I just like go ahead and spread them out on like my counter. Now done washing all of my makeup brushes. I usually leave these drying overnight just because they do take a while to dry. Another thing I was gonna recommend for you guys to do is to wash your bed sheets. I did wash mine already. If not, I would have showed you guys. And also make sure you're doing your bed every single day. I know it helps me feel a lot more put together. Also, I usually do stay in my desk area most of the time, so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it down again, but that's usually something I do almost every single day because I stay editing, doing homework, and just a bunch of things at my desk. desk area is all clean again. I love having a fresh space to just do my work and edit and all that stuff, so this is usually just kind of how I leave it. I know the inside looks a little chaotic, but it's gonna have to stay like that because I just have like my textbooks in there. I'm also gonna take out that trash right there because that does not look cute. In case you guys are wondering, this trash can, I got it from Amazon. I got it probably like before my freshman year, so I've had it for a while now. I think I'm actually gonna post these two on Poshmark because I don't wear those anymore. By the way, I have been posting all of my things on Poshmark, so go check them out. I will post a screenshot of like my Poshmark and what my username is. And then honestly, I don't even know what I have here. Okay, so these are some mugs that I recently got, but I'm saving them for a video. I actually don't even know where they're gonna fit, so I'm just gonna put them on my bed for now and leave the plastic bag there. What's in this one? Because honestly, I don't even know. Oh yeah, okay, so when I went to Target, I found like these. I really liked this little fringe in the bottom, so I got them and they were only $15, which is so good for jean shorts. I guess I'll just put those there for now. And then I had also gotten these little shorts to kind of like lounge around in. So these are only $12 from Target. I guess I'll leave those with that one. And then my last bag, I think this is from when I went to buy my mom her present, so it's been a minute. I had gotten like this accessory because I thought it was really cute, and I'm actually trying to up my like accessory game, so I had gotten that one. Oh my god, I honestly completely forgot I like got these as well. These are just like no-show socks. I have some white ones, but they're kind of starting to get a little ugly, so I got these and I completely forgot about them. Right now I'm just gonna find homes for all of these things, and I definitely want to take pictures of these too so I could post those on my Poshmark. I'm also gonna vacuum right now, so I'm just picking up all of my dog's toys because she just leaves them everywhere. Honestly, I don't even know what to do with my book bag anymore since classes are now online, so I don't even need it. And I think I'm gonna put my Adidas probably somewhere in my closet. I also need to move this luggage. I have like 2 luggages now, and one already takes up the majority of my closet, so I need to find out where to put that one. Shake this out so that any dust and dirt could fall on the actual carpet. Now we're actually gonna go ahead and vacuum my carpet because it's disgusting. I'm not done yet, but this looks so much more clean, so I'm actually gonna go ahead and move my IKEA rack because like I said, I usually have it over there. Final result in 3, 2, 1. Everything feels so fresh and clean in my room right now. I did vacuum all of the floor. I did wipe down all the counters. I did my laundry. Still trying to figure out where to put Mr. Austin Post, but I don't know where to put him. So for now, I'm just gonna leave him right there. This area is still kind of in the works. I'm gonna keep my luggage out here until I clean out my closet. That will probably be a separate video because that is a whole nother disaster. I put my dog's toys in this corner because she just walks in and they're gonna end up in different places either way. My rack is all clean and I did change out some of the clothing items. And then to top things off, I did turn on my lightning bolt because I love it so much and I'm obsessed with it. I'm still waiting for my laundry to get out of the dryer. It's still drying just a little bit more. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did watch all the way to the end, as always, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram to keep up with what I'm doing on a day-to-day basis. Again, I hope that this inspired you guys to clean up your own area and to kind of give yourself some extra time and care during these crazy times right now. Please drop down video recommendations down below, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.